Stalker Kitty. Stalker Zoe. Yeah, what are you doing? What are you looking at? What are you doing? What are you doing, Zoe? Zoe? Hi, pretty. You want to play with the mousey? Okay. We play with that, not the chair, Zoe. Good morning, guys. I'm trying to get her to leave the chairs alone. She was scratching the chairs, and that's bad. So I'm trying to play with her so she'll leave the chairs alone. So that's what we're gonna try and do. Play with the Zoe so she'll leave the chairs alone, because we don't want her to ruin them because they've already got claw marks all in them. Where are you going? You gonna play with your mousey? Play with your mousey. Get your mousey, Zoe. There's her mousey. Oh, I don't know where she went. Zoe. There she is. Whoa. Whoa, Zoe. Get it. Out of camera's reach. I can't see her. Nope. Oh, maybe that's her. I can't tell. I know I'm sure you guys are all tired of cat footage, but that's what my day entails. My day entails my crazy cat. Right, Zoe? Yeah. Yeah. It's time to make lunch. Alright, there is lunch with sweet tea. So it is Lebanon bologna sandwich with cheddar cheese and dill pickle chips. And Lebanon bologna, I don't know, it's like a Pennsylvania Dutch thing, and that's where we're from. We're from up north. We're from Pennsylvania. If you didn't know that, fun fact, we are from Pennsylvania, and we're Pennsylvania Dutch. It's like German, I guess. And Lebanon bologna is a big thing that they eat. It was a big thing my grandfather used to eat, so it's something that we still eat, and it's really good. And it looks like that. So I'm gonna go eat and read. Let's see, can we carry all of this? No. Nope. Okay. I can't carry and walk. Maybe. No. 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 Well, I have to go carry and walk. I can't walk and carry all of this and vlog at the same time. Not gonna work. So we're gonna go up and read and eat. So it's time for our daily check of where the cats are since I'm home. I can actually do this. I kind of miss doing this while I was on vacation. We think Zoe's under here. There's the Zoe. Say hi, Zoe. Okay, Cabinet. You want to be in the vlog too? Cabinet's making noises. But there's Zoe. She looks tired. Okay, we're gonna let you sleep. And hide Zoe now. Alright, so there's Zoe. Let's see. We are missing 3 kitties. Need to find Paris, Neo, and Gigi. Let's see. Oh, I think I hear the Paris down there. Hi, Pear. Hi, Pear. Do you know where Gigi or Neo is? Are? Do you? No. Let's see. Gigi could be under the bed. No. I don't see a Gigi under there. Okay. I don't know where Gigi is. I'm gonna go with Neo's probably outside. Let's go outside and look. Oh. He's probably where he always hides. Oh, look. There's the knee. There's the knee. Hi, knee. Hi. How are you doing? You look kind of hot. You want to come in? No? Alright. And I don't know where the Gigi is. So we found three. 3 of the 4. There's children out there screaming. Alright. See you guys later. I didn't do anything to help. I just said it looks like it. Paris, you eating?
She says, I'm a pig down.
Dinner time. Good baby. Zoe, are you comfortable like that? It looks really uncomfortable.
You have ESP.
Well, now we're going to learn if we have ESP.
Let's talk about that.
Whoa, his eyes are kind of big.
I sure know I do. What about you?
I don't know, maybe a little bit.
I do, definitely.
When the grass is green and the girls are pretty, I want you, please take me home. It's just a trick. It was just a
Let's
dance.
see if we can pause this.
That's a lot of movement.
Are you concerned?
I don't know.
If she keeps spazzing, you can wake her up.
How about you, Ken? Because I know she's going to want to
She
attack.
she won't. I promise. I'll wake her up. Zoe's spazzing. She's shaking. I just think she's
anyway.
dreaming. Yeah, this cat knows. The camera's on, so she's gonna be still. Even though she's passed out.
Oh, there, a little bit.
She's just dreaming. About what? What do cats dream about? I think she's running and playing.
Trying to get that dang bird.
Oy. You just missed.
My post is a girl on Instagram.
Hi, Gigi.
Told him I was way young. He seemed unfazed.
My Gigi.
Meet him at the Ace Hotel. Okay, Wednesday.
Alrighty guys, it is time to go to bed and end this vlog. It is almost midnight, so that means that it is almost Sunday. That means a new day. So it's time for Zoe and I to call it a night and go to bed. We both want to thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already done so, please subscribe and come along on this crazy fun journey of my life. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Good night. See you guys tomorrow. Bye.